ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Pilates with B. Today we're going to carry on with the 10-minute series, tackling the lower body. But first, please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already, as I can see that a lot of you who are watching the videos are not subscribed. Right, today's exercises, we have a sideways toe touch, followed by a back and corner toe touch, followed by a one-legged deadlift, then going down onto all fours to do a back leg raise, and finally ending with a chest sit. We'll then take a very short rest break before doing it all over again on the opposite leg. So, please pull up your mats, put on a smile, and let's begin. We are starting in a standing position. I just want you to get down just into a little bit of a semi-squat, leaning through the back. See, nice flat back, glutes is pushed out. Your knees are not over your toes like that, otherwise you will do damage to your ligaments, and we do not want that. So, we're starting in that position. Your knees are pushed out just a little bit, they're not conked in, but you have a nice external rotation going on in the knees. And let's begin in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And you just bring it in, lightly touching the floor. You're trying not to put much weight onto that right leg as possible. Putting all the weight into the left, just lightly touching with your toe, making sure that your leg is not wobbling, trying to keep it as stable as possible. You can do this as slow as you want to, which I recommend, as it does build a little bit more of the stability. And the main thing, ladies and gentlemen, is always to smile. It's 10 minutes. I know you can do it. Just keep strong through that leg. If you feel it wobbling or moving in a little bit, just come back, stop, and rotate it back out. We don't have much time now left. Let's keep on going. Really stretch that leg out. Try and stabilize through that left leg as much as you can. We're nearly there. And let's take it back. And forward. And to the corner. And back to the center. Back. Forward. If you need to take a break at any point, you're more than welcome. So you're going back, forward, to the corner of your mat, back to center, to the back, any point you need to come out of it. I know there's a lot of pressure to be putting on the one leg, but that's how we're going to get these glutes strong, how we're going to get that leg firing. Keep working, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great exercise for that glute medius, for that hamstring, for those quads. Everything is stabilizing. Oh, I am feeling the burn. We have just less than 15 seconds. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Keeping that leg nice and stable. Body is strong, core is strong. We are feeling nice and stabilized. Moving on to that one-legged deadlift. Same leg. Your leg is not locked. There's a little bit of a bend in it. You only go down as far as you can go. If your body can only go there, that's absolutely fine. Just as long as you're feeling it in that glute and in that hamstring. And down. Just a light touch on the floor. Down and up. Down and up. Strong core, ladies and gentlemen. Just need to readjust. If at any point you need to readjust, shake it out. Do whatever you need to do. And going back to center. And back down. Back to center. Strong glutes. Really activate those glutes. Everything is working hard to stabilize yourself. Let's bring it down onto all fours. Kicking that left leg back and raising for 1. Strong core, ladies and gentlemen. Flat back as much as you can. We're squeezing that glute as you raise it. And down. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Don't arch into your back. If you're arching into your back, then you need to not take the leg up as high. Slowly does it. Slowly does it. We're pressing away from the floor. Your core is sucked in. Your leg is reaching towards the back and lifting up. Ooh, I am shaking now. Keep working, ladies and gentlemen. Keep smiling. And we're nearly there. Almost there. Bringing it up into your chair position, which looks like that. It's a squat. And we just hold. You can either have your hands up or down, whatever works for you. And you can do this against the wall if you want to, if your legs are not strong enough. Otherwise, let's keep it going. And keep my arms down just because my shoulders are a bit tight today. Making sure your knees are not over your toes. So you're leaning back into it, not there, but there. Keep breathing, ladies and gentlemen, keep breathing. It's like sitting in a plank. It's a plank for your legs. Almost there. We have just less than 10 seconds. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, and release. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of the first section. Just going to take a moment, take that left leg, just plop it on your leg, and just shake it from left to right, just rolling onto that hip, onto that glute, just stretching out that left glute. It's done a lot of work, a lot of stabilizing. We're almost ready to begin again. Let me just reset my timer while we're going. Keep stretching, ladies and gentlemen, keep stretching. And let's just roll over the legs quickly. Giving a bit of a stretch to the back, bit of a stretch to the body. And let's get ready. Same thing this time, depending on which leg you started on, we're doing the opposite leg. So for me, it's my right. Right, let's begin. 1. Keep going, making sure that leg is not conking in. Oop, losing a bit of balance. The slower you do it, the more you get a feel for the control of the exercise. Really focusing in on those stabilizing muscles, that glute medius. Ooh, this side is definitely a lot easier for me. Seems to be a little bit more stable than my left side. Almost there, just less than 20 seconds to go. Keep working, ladies, gentlemen. If you're a runner, brilliant exercise for runners, I promise you that. Really, really good exercise. We're almost there. Keep working. Try not to come out of the semi-squat if you can help it, but rather just go straight into that next exercise. Corner, back, back to center, corner, and back, and corner, and back. Keep working. Ooh, that glute, she is on fire. Keep working. Smile, smile, ladies and gentlemen. Keep smiling, always smiling. Spread those toes out. Ooh, I need to come up just for a second, but keep working. Going back down, let's keep it going. Back, and corner. Back, center, corner, center, back. There we go. Just less than 10 seconds. Woo! Fire, fire, fire. And then we're going into one-legged deadlift. A little bit of a bend in the knee. Touch. Whoop. Don't fall over. It's So what happens when you're not concentrating on holding your core, stabilizing through that leg, and back to center. You can see I'm trying not to put my left foot on the mat, but just hovering it above the mat. Take a break whenever you need to. It's not about how many reps you can do, but how much stabilizing you can do through that glute and through that leg. You see, these are exercises that I struggle with normally, but have definitely gotten a lot better since I started my Pilates journey a couple of years ago. We're taking it down onto all fours, taking that left leg back, reaching it up. Squeeze that glute at the top. Squeeze that glute. Strong core, making sure that core is nice and stable. We're not arching into the back, rather keeping it as flat as possible. Squeezing at the top. Ooh, that right glute now is on fire. Oh, keep working, ladies and gentlemen. We're almost there. Almost there. Just less than 10 seconds to go. Keep working at it. Keep working. And we're coming up. And we're into chair hold. Let's go. Strong core, ladies and gentlemen. Weight is back in the heels. My hands down. Any point you need to come out of it. If we're feeling a bit pain in the back, just come out, take a break, do whatever feels good for you. And of course, smile. And breathe. Just less than 10 seconds. Imagine how good this is going to feel when you come out of it. And release. And let's take a moment. Plopping that right leg onto your left knee. And just rolling from left to right. Stretching through that glute. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you have felt that, and you will feel that right in the glutes, right in that little side muscles, and in that leg. I'm sure you will feel it tomorrow as well. I know that I do generally feel it when I do these exercises, especially if I'm running the next day, which thankfully I am not tomorrow. Got a little bit of a break. And let's just fold over your legs quickly, just stretching through that back. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is 10 minute Pilates for the lower body. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a like, share it with all your friends. Let's get a nice community going here. I hope that you have a fantastic weekend, a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you guys again on Tuesday. Bye-bye.